Welcome, I'm filming the Xiaomi Poco M4 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you're going to pull down your toggle panel from the right upper side and locate the screen recorder toggle, which for me is right over here. Now this is the default location of all the toggles, so hopefully for you it's in the same place. Once you find it, tap on it. This will give you a couple options right here. So you have record, a folder which will take you to a folder with all the recordings that I have captured over the time, and settings button along with a close. Now let's touch up on the settings button where you will find additional settings for the actual recording and the quality of it, which I do recommend checking out here, at least for the very first time. So number one, we have the resolution, which luckily it is set to the highest, so that's what I would recommend keeping it at. Then we have a video bitrate. It's set to 16, which is quite okay. You can heighten it up to 24. I don't think past 24 it makes much of a difference at 1080p. Everything should look just perfectly sharp, so no point going higher, considering that going higher will result in the same amount of recording taking much more space. Then we have orientation, which is set to auto. AutoDiff basically detects what orientation the phone will be in, and that is the orientation that will start recording in, but when you switch it throughout the recording, the video will not adjust that. So the orientation that it is at the start, that's the orientation that will record for the entirety of the recording. Then we have sound source. So here we have mute, mic, or system sound. Choose whichever one you want. Fixed frame rate. It's a good option. There's not much option for the frame rate here anyway, so you can just keep it at fixed one. And frame rate, I would recommend changing to 30. 24 is not cinematic, no matter what people tell you. And even at 30 frames, I don't think this phone will be powerful enough to make this even look decent, so you'll see that in a second once I start recording. And then we have a couple toggles below here that you can turn on at your will. So if you want to use some of those features, just toggle them on. Anyway, once we're done with the settings, we can just close this, and to record, press on the circle, and this now starts recording. So right now I'm just kind of pulling down things just so you can see how this looks like. And once you're done, you can click on the red square to stop it. And this recording that we have just captured can be either found in our gallery application. So under albums, it will create a video folder, or you can just tap right here on this folder and it also takes you to screen recordings. And in here, once you tap on it, you can play the recording. So there we go, it's now playing. So you can see it kind of looks choppy with even 30 frames. It's not the best recording here, but it does the job. So anyway, that is how you record your screen, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.